This might feel illegal to hear, but it's getting shared anyway. There is a top-level secret within elite circles of power, influence, and wealth. A secret intentionally kept from the public. Because the moment this becomes common knowledge, the rules of the game change. And the people who once pulled strings from the top, they lose control. This strategy can make people move in your direction. Whether the goal is customers, clients, investors, or influence. It works, and it works fast. Just 2 decades ago, there was a nation in Africa known for poverty, war, and hopelessness. No one wanted to go there. No one wanted to invest. And no one believed anything good could come from it. Today, that same country is now referred to as the Singapore of Africa. A booming economy, a global tourist magnet, and a top destination for international business. Credit often goes to the president, and rightfully so. But behind every sharp image, there's a sharper architect. Power doesn't only come from leadership. It comes from narrative control. There's always a group behind the scenes. A team that crafts the message, controls perception, and builds belief. Every benefit a person or nation receives, influence, money, recognition, flows through one gateway. The story people believe about them. There are teams whose entire job is to build that story carefully. They plant perception. They shape opinion. They engineer public emotion. This is the game many are missing. In Nazi Germany, Adolf Hitler was the face of leadership. But the man behind the mind shift was Joseph Goebbels, Minister of Propaganda. Historians often say that apart from Hitler, the most powerful man in Nazi Germany was Goebbels. Because when someone controls thought, they control action. If the narrative is powerful enough, people follow blindly. Now ask this. What narrative is being built around the brand, the business, or the content that's being created? Most people spend all their energy building skills, perfecting offers, or improving products. But none of that matters if no one understands a story. It's not enough to be good. It's not enough to be talented. The world has to believe it. That belief is designed, not discovered. That's where narrative shaping comes in. If the work being done is valuable, then it must be wrapped in a story people can remember. And that story must be told strategically. Now, if this message has landed so far, it means the mind is seeking growth. Not everyone stays this long. So if this is resonating, hit the like button right now and subscribe, because that act alone tells the algorithm this is something valuable. Let's go deeper. Narrative shaping is not about faking an image. It's about choosing exactly how a brand or person wants to be perceived and ensuring everything aligns with it. A brand should be able to answer one question clearly. What is the first emotion or belief people must feel when they come across this brand? It could be trust. It could be excellence. It could be exclusivity or authority. Whatever the answer is, it becomes the anchor. Once defined, that anchor must show in every single output. The way a caption is written, the tone of voice in a video, the colors in a logo, the background in a thumbnail, the mood of the music, the design of the website, even the way a DM is replied to. Everything must drip with the same identity. When that happens consistently, a powerful psychological effect kicks in called cognitive bias. It's how the brain fills in gaps using previously formed impressions. So even before someone listens to a message, their mind has already told them how to feel about it. That's why 2 people can say the same thing, and only one gets heard. It's the one who shaped the narrative. Narrative becomes leverage. While others beg for attention, others attract effortlessly. Some build skill and still struggle. Others build perception and get opportunities they didn't even ask for. This is the strategy used by the top 1%. It's how unknown brands become household names. It's how regular people get premium treatment. It's how products with average features dominate their market. Because the world doesn't reward the best. It rewards the best perceived. Narrative is power. Perception is profit. Story is strategy. Don't just build. Be seen. And if the goal is growth, both mentally and financially, then this platform is here to serve that journey. Like this video. Subscribe for more. Because here on SuccessCraft, we're not just talking. We're building minds that build empires.